Excuse me. What are you doing?
She comes from the loudest household. She's fine.
Look at all these kids. Nope, for Fury. No?
Are you comfy? Yeah? Oh, you're out. Oh, you're out. Too bad I have the frisbee.
Go Juicy, go Juicy, go Juicy. It never gets old.
Risa, come on. Come on. I'm going to have to drag you out.
This is how we make our bed in the morning. Can you get off my bed, please? Get off the bed. Athena, down. We can't go to the park until you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park?
Rob a bank? Do you want to fight? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat?
I love you!
Odie May! Hey! You've got to be fucking kidding me.
We always get asked what supplements we give Mila. Dachshund Advanced Care. Use code MYLA15 for 15% off.
เชื่อไปไหนวะไหนวะ
16 years old and dog years.
He's so scared just to touch it. Oh my god.
Winnie, get up, you doink. Get up. I'm dead.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
What?
Jake.
Why are you so forceful at this biscuit factory?
Come here.
Who did that?
Philby's just out. He's like, oh wait, was I getting licked? Oh, pardon you.
Something happening?
Oh, I need to sneeze.
Buddy.
Did you two feed that dog any Doritos?
No, Mummy.
Maggie?
Sweetheart, do you want to get out? Do you want me to help you out? No. Sure.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Good boy.
Wow. I didn't know that. I just, you're telling me now for the first time.
I'm a goofy goober! You're a goofy goober! We're all goofy goobers!
Same technology that they used when I was going to physical therapy and I was going to chiropractor, so.
Walter, please watch your tail, man. Walter, Jesus Christ, bud. Yeah, dude, on fire.
It never gets old. Ever.
If you could promise me 2 more doozies, I would take them in a heartbeat. Hugs are so...
Oh, he's really going down.
So this email says, do you want to go in the office on Tuesday or Wednesday? There will be lots of treats there. Hopefully we can have breakfast and dinner at the office because breakfast and dinner will be available if we go there.
Oh my god! I told you I heard him go behind us! There's no way! How did he get out? I was just joking about him running after Wendy.
High five. Boop. Can I have a COVID? COVID? Can I have a achoo? Can you speak?
He likes that.
You like that, buddy.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Place. Come. Place.
Shorty had them apple-bottom jeans, boots with the fur, The whole club was looking at her. Hey, she hit the flow. Next thing you know.
Качай. Туч. So take her out. And then you just leave it. Back in. Take her out. Leave it.
Ready? Oh my god.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Make it happen fast. Oh no! No, don't like you. She don't like you. She don't like you. She likes me.
Get up.
I'm cute.
Does it meet your standard of surfing, chick? I think so.
Pato.
Check out this brand new workout. Guaranteed to get those obliques in motion. First, you get a puppy. Then, you start tossing. And he's gonna come back to the center like a good little training buddy, and you toss him.
Did you go give her a huggy?
It's right here. Look, bud. It's not under the table. Jax.
Kelly, did you eat it? Did you yes or no? Maybe?
The ball? Uh-oh. Frida. Frida, get off of Fuzzy's head.
This cat was in trouble and yelled for backup from her big brother.
Okay, people, can we chill? Okay.
When we take a drive, maybe we can just go for a vibe. Hypnotized by the lights.
Ay, no, duro, duro, duro.
What did you do? Why are you a mess? Shall we go find out? Are you gonna show me? Comet. The pancake mix!
Boys. Winston. Was it you? Tucker. Was it you, Tucker?
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Quem criou isto? Quem foi? Hã? Quem foi? Julie? Ai, 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 ai. Quem foi que roeu isto?
Sorry, get your dog. Excuse me, Arthur.
Shit.
I'm
sorry.
Oh, good.
Oh, she put it in.
나는 1학년 참여를 참여받은 친구 춤추고 랩하는 걸 좋아하는 친구 나를 부모 인사 건네줘 반갑게 먼저 말을 걸어줘 어른들이 자꾸 물어봐 커서 뭐가 되고 싶은지를 물어봐
Chance, what did you do? Was this you? Did you do this? Did you do this? That's naughty. Come here.
Toto, Kira. ¿Qué medida tomamos?
I guess daycare was too much. Oh, she's falling.
Our dog listening to the neighbors fight every day like.
Oh. Hazel!
You want something? You want something? You want something? Hey, hey!
Who's your best friend?
Let go. Wait! Let go.
His face is so mad. Bro, did you take the eggs out of the trash? Are you being a mama? Oh, you gonna hatch them? We couldn't hatch these eggs, so...
Patingin, patingin. Tigil mo nga, Ate Nes. Huwag mo subuan ng ano yan, ng kutsara. Oh, hindi ka kain. Kasi wala ka susubo. Oh, sige. Grabe.
What did you do? What did you do to that?
Uh-oh. Frida. Frida, get off of Fuzzy's head.
Maddie!
What in the fuck is this?